What's up, y'all? It's Chaddock713 coming at you again, another video review. I'm gonna do a drive around and let's see how the HKS blow-off valve sounds. Now it doesn't sound as loud as it did when I had that Genesis coupe. Probably being that it was 4-cylinder turbo. It had I think it was a 2.5-inch cool side pipe on the intercooler. It was an aftermarket intercooler. It had an HKS blow-off valve on it, and it sounded pretty good. I really liked it. I enjoyed driving that thing around, and it was really loud. Plus, I had a tune on it, so it made it even louder. But this one sounds, you can hear it right up at 4,000 RPMs. Like right now, you can barely hear it. Barely. I don't even know if y'all heard that. Now I'm coming up to the highway. Now I can get on it a little bit. See that my tire light's on because I put some aftermarket wheels on it, the SSRs, and I didn't switch out my tire sensors, so it's kind of a pain in the ass, but whatever. My car looks clean though. I didn't even hear it that time. Let me put it on sport mode. Sport plus. It's weak. Now you heard it there. That was at 5,500 RPMs. As you can see, guys, I live out in Texas. It's flat, very flat out here. I live out in the middle of nowhere. So I'm just taking the back roads. This county road back here. Let's do this standstill. Check it. Oop. Sounds dope. I like it. But I got one issue with this thing. It didn't come with any block off plates for the factory blow off valve that's in the turbo. So that's what I'm thinking. Maybe it doesn't sound as loud because some of the pressure is going out of those other blow off valves too. That's probably what it is. Well, let me put the windows up. See how it sounds with the windows up. Now, if anybody owns an Infiniti, I've been told that these Infinitis are real quiet. Like, they're very well insulated, so probably won't hear it that good. The blow off valve that good. These fucking windows up. Well, let me know what you guys think. Alright. Wish I had more time, but I gotta go to the bank. Alright.